Premiere. Noun. 1. The first showing of a film, play or other form of entertainment, often held as a special event with celebrity guests. 2. The first episode of a television show or a particular season of that show. 3. In a series of narrative works, the installment that is chronologically set first. 4. The leading woman of a group, especially in a theatrical cast. Premiere. Verb. 1. Intransitive, of a film or play, to play for the first time. For example, the new film premieres this weekend. 2. Transitive, to present a film or play for the first time. For example, the local theater will premiere its latest play this week.